Welcome to Petstablished. In this tutorial, we'll go over how to utilize the Petstablished Pet Transfer Network. This feature allows Petstablished users to post their pets and search for other organizations that are looking to pull or transfer pets. First, we'll walk you through adding pets which are available for transfer and the transfer network settings. Then we'll go through how to search, request pets, and transfer pets through the transfer network. To add a new pet, proceed to the My Pets Manage Pet Data section. Click on Actions and then select the pet type. Proceed to input the pet's basic information and continue to the Pet Transfer Network settings. From here, you can enter the pet attributes, current location, check off that this pet is available for transfer, and any heartworm and underlying conditions. You can also indicate whether this pet is on the euthanasia list and expected euthanasia date. Then hit Next. This will add the pet to your account and list it as available for transfer on our transfer network search. If the pet is already in your account, you can add them to the transfer network by clicking on Manage, Edit to proceed to the Edit Pet section. You can find the transfer network options quick link on the top that will take you to the transfer network settings and check off whether this pet is available for transfer along with their zip code and other details. Then hit Save. The pet will then be searchable by other organizations using the transfer network. If you'd like to receive notifications from other organizations looking to pull or transfer pets, please set up your preferences and contact information in the Transfer Network Transfer Settings section. If you're looking for pets available for transfer or looking for organizations that want to pull pets, click on Search Transfer Network. You can select the search type from the drop-down menu and further customize by zip code, distance, only show pets on the euthanasia list as well as the other fields provided. You can view the pet's medical history, additional details, and the organization information. To request this pet, hit Request Pet. To select multiple pets at once, check off the box at the top left-hand corner and then hit Select Requested Pets. You can then select the method of transfer such as pickup, delivery, or a third-party service. Once the request is approved, you can confirm the details with the rescue or shelter you are pulling from via chat or by phone or email, then hit Save. You can view a history of your requests in the Requests Made section. From here, you can cancel or send a message to the transferring organization. You can also view previous requests that have been accepted, completed, or rejected. Now let's switch over to the transferring organization's account, Good Karma Pet Rescue. The transferring organization can see requests in the Transfer Network Request Received section. They can accept the request, reject, or message the requesting organization. From here, both organizations can communicate, confirm the details and arrangements, and will keep a log of the conversation. When the transferring organization accepts this request, it will ask if they'd like to reject the other transfer requests for the same pet. From here, they can message the receiving organization and make the final arrangements for the transfer, such as the date, time, and pickup location. The pet will move to the Accepted Request tab until the receiving organization finalizes the transfer in their Petstablished account. Switching back to the receiving organization's account, you can finalize the transfer in the Transfer Network Requests Made section under Accepted Requests. Then click on Transfer Complete. You can copy the pet's data and medical records to your account and then choose the pet as available for adoption or foster, or choose another status. The pet will then move to the Completed Request tab for both organizations. The receiving organization can find the pet in the My Pets Manage Pet Data section in the Pet Search. Here's a quick recap. To mark new or existing pets as available for transfer, go to the My Pets Manage Pet Data section. Then click on Manage, Edit Pet, Transfer Network options. Please set up your transfer network transfer settings to receive notifications from other organizations looking to pull or transfer pets. Proceed to the Transfer Network Search Transfer Network. Then click on Request Pet and select Preferred Method of Transfer. Once the transferring organization accepts the request, both parties can coordinate the pickup date, time, location, and other details. The receiving organization will then finalize the transfer by hitting Transfer Complete. The pet will then be saved in the receiving organization's account in the My Pets Manage Pet Data section. This concludes our tutorial, but you can log in and view more tutorials in the Tutorials and FAQ section of your account, or you can schedule an online walkthrough with one of our friendly team members. Thank you for joining us and for all the amazing work you do.